Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps engineering channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be doing another ticket. We're going to know how to write a script that loops until the conditions are met. Now, you're first going to touch loop.sh and type all the below groups of commands in Sublime Text or a Word document. Echo while loop starts. Echo performing load test for Tesla Rocket 2024, or you put whatever you want. L equals 10,000 while $L is less than 9,000. Do Echo Rocket 24 is carrying $1 kg. L express $sign plus L $L plus 1,000 done while loop ends. This essentially adds 1,000 to 1,000 kilograms, or adds 1,000 input number until it reaches 10,000. If it is less than 9,000, they're going to keep adding until it reaches 10,000. Now we're going to do how to write a script that switches to the user's preferences. This is a switch case scenario. So first, you're going to type all the groups below into Sublime Text or Word document. Echo switch case starts, case $1 in start. So if someone says sh the file name start, then Echo SonarQube server is now started. So SonarQube server is starting. Echo SonarQube server started. Stop. Echo SonarQube server is stopping. Echo SonarQube server stopped. Restart. Echo SonarQube server is restarting. Echo SonarQube server restarted. Enable. Echo SonarQube server enabled. Now, if you entered an invalid option, it will say you have entered an invalid option. Please enter start, stop, enable, or restart option. ESAC, and then Echo switch case scenario stops. ESAC is case backwards, so case from up and ESAC from below. That tells us when the switch case starts and the switch case stops. And when it stops, you're going to echo switch case ends. Copy the script below and vi into switch.sh. Escape Shift ZZ to save and quit the file, and then switch.sh. Now let's go ahead and practice this in Mobex term. Now let's do the first ticket. First we're going to do touch loop.sh. Now we're going to vi into loop.sh. Insert, paste, and now escape shift ZZ. We're going to sh loop.sh. Now this is a loop case. It will mean that it will continue looping it until the conditions are met. So we'll continue doing it until the conditions are met, like we explained. So if you want to do it again, we just do sh loop.sh. Just gives us the results. Now the next one is switch case. Now that we've pasted it in, we're going to do escape shift ZZ, and we're going to sh switch .sh. Right, I forgot. You have to do it. You have to type start or stop or enable or restart. So it says SonarCube server is starting. SonarCube server has started. Switch case ends. That's when it ends. Now let's do stop. SonarCube server is stopping. SonarCube server stopped. Now let's do enable. SonarCube server is enabled. Now let's do start, starting, stop, stopped, and restart. Restarting and restarted. Now let's say if I want to disable it, will it still work? Nope, it will not work because I've entered an invalid option. Therefore, I need to either do start, stop, restart, or enable, because I only entered those kinds of commands and conditions. Now that we've done with all this, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.